Identify conditional equations, identities, and contradictions. Okay, thus far the linear equations that we've examined have all had exactly one solution. Those type of equations are examples of what we call conditional equations. It's true for some values of the variable and false for others. In fact, for a linear equation in one variable, if it's a conditional equation, it's going to have one solution. An equation that's true for all values of the variable is what we call an identity, and an equation that's false for all values of the variable is called a contradiction. Let's go look at those three types. Let's look at examples. Okay, number one, go solve 4x plus 1 minus x equals 6x minus 2. When we collect like terms, we get 4x minus x is 3x plus 1 equals 6x minus 2. We want to move the 3x to the right, so I need to subtract 3x from both sides. And I get 1 equals 3x minus 2. Now I want to get the negative 2 to the left, so I need to add 2 to both sides. And I get 3 equals 3x. Now I want to get the x by itself, divide both sides by 3, and I get x equals 1. This is a conditional equation. It has one solution. If I plug in 1, x equals 1, into that equation, I get a true statement. If I plug any other value of x in, I get a false statement. 1 is the only solution that works. Okay, number 2, if I were to try to solve this one, I get negative 10x minus 2 equals, I'm going to go ahead and collect like terms, 2x minus 12x is negative 10x plus 6. I want to get the x's on the same side, so I'm going to add 10x to the left. But when I do that, what happens? That's gone, but so is this. And now all I have left is negative 2 equals 6. That's a false statement. That is never true. So I have no solution to this equation. This is called a contradiction. The third example, when I go distribute to clear my parentheses, I get 6x minus 2 equals 6x plus 6 minus 8. On the right hand side, I need to collect like terms. I have 6x minus 2 equals 6x. 6 minus 8 is negative 2. Again, I want the x's on the same side. So I want to subtract 6x from the left. But when I do that, the x's disappear again on both sides, and I'm left with negative 2 equals negative 2. That is a true statement. This is what's called an identity. It works for all values of x. No matter what value of x you plug into that equation, you're going to get a true statement. So there are infinitely many solutions.